How to fix Instagram "You've been logged out, please log back in" problem. So under Instagram, if it says that you've been logged out, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might log out. Once you've checked, you need to go for Play Store. Under Play Store, go for the search and search for Instagram. Once you've searched for Instagram here, if you have an update under your Instagram, then simply tap on update and update your application. So if you have not updated your application, then you will find some kind of problems. So make sure to update, and once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. And you need to log into your account and your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go for the settings. Under your settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Under apps, you need to tap on see all apps and search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now your problem will be fixed. Or you can also tap on clear storage and clear all of your storage on your Instagram. Once you've cleared your storage, now what you need to do is you just need to turn on any VPN services. So if you have any VPN, then you just need to turn that on. And once you've turned on your VPN, now you need to go back to your Instagram application and try to log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. You'll be able to log in. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.